Mine is simple, a warm, modern seaside apartment where the sound of the waves becomes part of the design. Today, I'm using AI, MidJourney, and Nano Banana to bring that dream to life. Let me show you how I imagine my perfect seaside home. This is where my concept starts. Soft plaster walls, warm wood, linen textures, and that quiet coastal calm that feels like a slow morning. I collected references from Pinterest, color palettes, and some of my macro shots. My goal? Modern minimal but full of feeling. In MidJourney, I start by designing each room individually. This helps me build the entire story of the apartment. For the living room, I imagined a warm beige palette with curved sofas, natural wood textures, and large glass sliding doors opening to a Mumbai skyline. The key idea was softness, like soft shapes, soft lighting, soft materials. MidJourney generated multiple versions with different sofa colors, different layouts, and even different ceiling designs. This helped me finalize the vibe, a sunlit, calm, warm living room facing the sea. For the bedroom, I wanted a dramatic cave-like arched backdrop that feels cozy but luxurious. Low beds, layered fabrics, warm side lighting, and shelves carved into the plaster wall. MidJourney also gave me versions with big sea-facing windows, and that became the anchor for the whole space. The balcony is the heart of any seaside apartment. Here I designed curved railings, warm sunset lighting, outdoor seating with terracotta cushions, and lots of greenery. I wanted this space to feel like a personal retreat, perfect for sunrise coffee or sunset journaling. And finally, the kitchen. Since in Mumbai most builders give a parallel kitchen, I worked with that layout. I designed it with warm beige tones, marble textures, fluted glass shutters, and clean minimal cabinets. MidJourney helped visualize multiple countertop materials, lighting variations, and window openings until the perfect direction began to appear. After the concept direction in MidJourney, I took the images into Nano Banana to refine each space. Here's everything I changed. In the living room, I changed the layout completely. The sofa position, seating placement, and overall balance of the room. I switched the sofa color to a deeper warm terracotta tone for more richness. And the biggest transformation, I changed the background city view to a full sea view. This instantly made the whole room feel like a true seaside apartment. In the bedroom, I changed the bed style to a low platform style bed to match a luxury coastal aesthetic. I also added a divan and a stool at the foot of the bed to create a layered, more functional layout. These small details made the space look more personal and lived in. And here's the final dream, a warm, calm living room with a full sea view, a bedroom that feels like a private retreat, a balcony that blends sky, sea, and sunlight, and a kitchen that feels clean, elegant, and perfectly Mumbai. I'm Shipra Shetty, and this is my dream seaside home, imagined through AI. If you enjoy my design journey, subscribe for more AI interior design stories every week. And before we end, here's the final moment in motion.